Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create logo using Canva AI. In the previous video, we learned how to create image using Canva AI, how to create videos using Canva AI. In this video, I will show you how to create logo using Canva AI for free. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and go to canva.com, okay, and then after that choose Canva AI from the left side, as you can see here, and here you have to describe your logo idea. So type the logo idea, and at the end create a logo for my YouTube channel. Okay, this is all about your channel, and then after that click enter, submit. As you can see, I was thinking I will create a logo for IT Focus YouTube channel that captures TICS programming items you cover. It's creating the logo, as you can see here. So we have to wait. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. There's polishing, as you can see, design details. This is the first one. You have to choose the one which you like, then after that you can download it. This one or this one or this one, this one. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, and you can um, uh, edit if you want. Use Canva editor, click here. Okay, this is the logo, and you can edit the way you want. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.